The Hohenzollern Castle, located in Germany, is a magnificent and iconic structure that fascinates travelers from all over the world. Situated on a hilltop in the Swabian Alps, this castle offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The Hohenzollern Castle is not only a popular tourist attraction, but also has great historical significance. It was first mentioned in historical records back in the Middle Ages and has since been rebuilt and expanded over the years. Today, it is a proud symbol of German history and culture. In addition to its historical significance, Hohenzollern Castle offers an unforgettable experience for travelers looking for natural beauty. The castle's location amidst rolling hills and lush greenery creates a picturesque setting that is perfect for photography enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. In conclusion, the Hohenzollern Castle in Germany is not only an architectural marvel, but also a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. Its stunning scenery and historical significance make it an ideal destination for tourists from all over the world.